What's up, guys? Welcome back to AutoHeads. Thanks for checking out the channel. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification button to get updates on when new videos are released. Today's going to be a little different. Today I'm going to go over how I'm making money as a brand new YouTuber. But first off, I want to say thank you guys. I hit 300 subscribers yesterday, so thank you very much for subscribing. And also, I accomplished a personal goal. I wanted to make $100 a month doing this, and it happened yesterday. So I'm very, very happy. I know that might not sound like a lot of money to some people, but I love doing this, and I started this as, it's just kind of a hobby for me. But it's been a lot of fun, and I'm actually making, a little bit of money. I'm making a little side hustle, so I'm really happy. So I'm going to go over and share with you guys how you can make some money doing this too. If you're passionate about, anything really. If you're passionate, for me, I'm passionate about cars and trucks and doing upgrades. So when I make these videos, it's not work, it's fun. So if you guys are passionate about something, I encourage you to start your YouTube channel. Not only are you doing something you love, but you can make a little money doing it. And that's kind of everybody's goal, right? Like, we all want to do something that we love doing, and if we can get paid a little money doing it, then that's even better. So how I'm doing that right now as a brand new YouTuber is through Amazon Associates. So YouTube, to even make money from YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So right now I just have 300 subscribers. I've only been really uploading videos for the past 4 months. I've had my YouTube channel up for a year, but 11 of the 15 videos that I have just been uploaded in the last 4 months. So I'm very, very new. But I'm pretty proud that within that short amount of time I've been able to generate on average 80 to this month $100 per month in revenue through Amazon Associates program. So I'm going to get into how to do that, and I'm going to show you guys my Amazon Associates earnings report so you guys can kind of get an idea of how much money I'm making, how I do it, and kind of how to start your own Amazon Associates side hustle. Another thing you guys can do is just starting out that I would really recommend, that really helped me, is find a YouTuber in your niche that has, that's getting close to being monetized. It's maybe like in that 5, 6, 7, 800 subscriber range, and see what they're doing to get to get where they're at, to get to 1,000 subscribers, to start making money. For me, it was a channel called Hot Wheels Dad. Go check him out. He just hit 1,000 subscribers, so congratulations. Go check him out, subscribe. But I used him because he had a very similar channel that I had. So I used his channel as motivation, and I was able to see him succeed. I was able to see him get sponsors, see him get monetized, eventually. So try to find someone in a similar niche that you can kind of use as motivation and use as some guidance to bring your channel to where you want it to go. So let's get into it. All right, so obviously you're going to Amazon.com, scroll all the way down. I think you need to be in a desktop view to even see this, but you're going to scroll all the way down and you're going to see this little Make Money With Us section. And then about 3/4 of the way down, you will see Become an Affiliate. Okay, so click on Become an Affiliate. It's really simple to sign up, and anyone can do it. You don't need to have a certain amount of followers initially to sign up. You just might not stay signed up. But just click that sign up, and you can also sign up through different countries too and get paid through one link. But that's probably a different video. But yeah, you can sign up for multiple countries. Very easy, step by step. I'm not going to go into all the details of how to sign up, but it's very, very straightforward. All right, so once you're complete with the sign up process, Amazon is going to allow you to get your customizable links to purchase. So in my case, I sold that Anzo headlight a couple days ago, which isn't a video that I've even made, but people are obviously interested, so I probably want to put a link so other people can purchase that item. So I'm going to type in Anzo. I'm going to find the headlight that fits my truck, right? So I go here, Anzo USA. You know, that's a pretty big item, $410. That'll be a really nice commission if someone buys it. And once I click on it, I can get a text link, an image link, or a text and image link, depending on what your website is or your YouTube channel. For YouTube, I like to use just the text. It looks a lot cleaner. So I'm going to hit that text button, and it's going to give me a link. I can copy and paste that, and I can put that wherever I want, pretty much. But for me, I'm going to put it in the description. You always hear the YouTubers say, "Oh, I put the link in the description to purchase this item." So yeah, so let's take that link and let's put it on a video that I think my users may be inclined to purchase. Alright, so I think I found a video that would work well for this Anzo link. I'm going to put it on my LAS Fit versus F-150 LED video. I'm going to do this because, you know, someone that's looking for LED lights is probably going to be looking to, or may be looking to upgrade their headlights also. So I'm going to just put a quick little description in the video. Anzo headlights. Let's kind of clean that up a little bit. Anzo headlights, and I already copy and pasted, or I already copied the link from Amazon, and I'm just going to paste it right in there. Okay, and I'm doing this all with my phone too, which is nice. It's very, very easy. So I copy and pasted that link, so now if someone is going on my video and they look at the description, they say, oh, you know what, Anzo, okay, that's cool, I've heard of that company. Maybe they click on that Anzo headlight link, and they purchase a headlight, which would be a great commission for me. Now, a lot of people ask, you know, are you really making money? Because you got to buy these products before you can sell them. I just wanted to show you this video because what I did for this is I literally went into my garage and I found all the products that I use to wash my car. And you can see there I got my, you know, the foam lamps, I got the Pink Magic, Chemical Guy stuff, the bucket, all that stuff. Those are all items that I had before I filmed this video. I didn't buy it just to film the video. So I used all those. I made sure I had links. I made sure that all the products had links for Amazon, or were sold on Amazon, and they all did. Every single one of them I could find on Amazon. So I put it below, and you know, that's what you guys should do. You know, if you can find stuff that you're already using, just make sure that you can find the links on Amazon, and then use that for your product that you're going to sell. All right, now let's get into how much I made in the past 30 days. As you can see, I made $111.15. I was super excited this month. There's a big goal of mine to make over $100. But yeah, you can kind of see that's what the dashboard looks like. We got 1,100 clicks, a bunch of ordered items there, 84 ordered items, and I made $2,640.52 for Amazon. So that's kind of why they do it. You know, you're making them money and they're giving you a little bit of a kickback. So I'm clicking on my earnings report. You can see all the different products that I sold. And as you can see, I didn't necessarily do videos on all these products, but when people click that link, you get an advertising fee, even if the item wasn't wasn't your original click. As long as they get into Amazon through your click, anything that they buy after that, you get a percentage, which is great. That's what makes the affiliate program so popular. So yeah, there's a bunch of different options. So let's go look at what I did the past 7 days. The past 7 days I made $52.10, and I did very well this week because you know, every once in a while you'll get lucky. So this week someone purchased a Anzo headlight, so I got $20 back because that was a big purchase. Alright, so I just wanted to show you my channel real quick and just show you that you don't need to be some, you know, huge YouTuber that's been doing it for many years to be able to make some money on this. So this is, I'm just showing you, you know, most of my videos are, like I said, in the past 4 months. I have 4 or 5 videos that are over a year old, but I mean, that was a while ago, you know. This FX4 versus 4x4 video, that gained some really good traction. And then, others don't do so well, like this installing flag vinyl on F-150. Awful. 543 views, and I've had it up for a year. Then you look at some of my more recent ones. These Raptor Grill videos and Raptor Grill wiring install. These are doing awesome and are continuing to do great. That was 3 months ago. This Dodge Ram Rocklight install was doing awful. Just literally the last week has been doing pretty well. But it's a crapshoot. You don't know what's gonna hit. You don't know what's not. Just all you can do is just make really good content, and eventually people are gonna start watching. If it's really, really great content and it's appealing to people, people will watch it. You just have to be patient. So in the spirit of this video, if you guys are interested in seeing and purchasing some of the equipment that I used to make these videos, I provided links in the description, and you guys can check those out. See what I did there? It's that easy. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found this helpful. I know that when I was first starting out, I would be looking for brand new YouTubers, and I was kind of seeing how they were doing and how much money they were making, and it was really difficult to find any YouTube videos out there that showed new YouTubers making money. There's plenty of make $1,000 a week, or make $5,000 a month, or make $100 a day, and the YouTuber that you're looking at has 10 million subscribers or 100,000+ subscribers. Well, that's kind of that didn't really motivate me. It didn't really give me hope that I could do it. So hopefully as a brand new YouTuber like myself, really just started 4 months ago and with only 300 subscribers, this can show you that it is possible to make some money doing this, and not a whole lot of time. So if you found this video helpful and you liked it, please hit that like button. It helps the channel out a lot. And again, if you haven't subscribed, please smash that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification for updates on when new videos are released. As always, thanks for checking out the video, and I'll see you next time. Take care.